Hello, little friends. It's me, your happy hobby storytime bunny. We're diving into something truly magical, International Book Week 2025. A global celebration of the joy of reading. Designed to spark children's literacy, boost imagination. Let's hop to it. Let's bring communities together through the power of stories.
International Book Week, igniting a love for reading. Welcome to our special celebration of International Book Week. An inspiring global event dedicated to the power of books and the joy of reading. This annual initiative, led by the International Board on Books for Young People, is designed to spark a lifelong love of reading in children and young people around the world. Books have the extraordinary power to transform lives. During this special week, we shine a light on how stories can shape young minds, ignite imagination, and foster emotional and social growth. From captivating characters to imaginative journeys, reading is not just a pastime, it's a powerful tool for learning and connection. Throughout International Book Week, communities, schools, and families around the globe come together to celebrate stories through engaging events. Special readings by beloved authors, storytelling sessions, and interactive workshops will be held in libraries and classrooms, bringing books to life in meaningful and magical ways. Studies show that kids who read for pleasure perform better in school, develop empathy, and grow into curious, informed individuals. That's why we're passionate about promoting children's literacy and encouraging every child to discover the wonder inside a good book. When young readers meet authors, ask questions, and get inspired by their storytelling, they begin to see that they, too, can create and imagine. These author engagements help children understand the writing process and deepen their appreciation for literature. Book signings and author Q&As will give kids the chance to connect directly with the creative minds behind their favorite stories. Interactive storytelling sessions will also play a big role this week. Talented storytellers will guide children through imaginative adventures, combining expressive reading, music, and hands-on activities. These sessions aren't just fun, they help build language skills, confidence, and creativity. Creative writing and illustration workshops will allow kids to create their own stories and artwork, exploring self-expression and strengthening communication. By writing and drawing, children can see their thoughts come alive on the page, and that's incredibly empowering. International Book Week is a celebration of books' impact on child development. Reading supports cognitive development, boosting vocabulary, critical thinking, and comprehension skills. When children engage with books early on, they build a strong foundation for lifelong learning. Reading also nurtures emotional intelligence. Stories introduce children to different experiences and perspectives, helping them understand their own feelings and relate to others. Classic tales like those of Hans Christian Andersen teach timeless lessons about courage, kindness, and the power of believing in yourself. Books also help children grow socially. Talking about stories with peers builds communication skills and fosters collaboration. When kids share their thoughts on a plot or character, they learn how to express ideas clearly and listen actively. International Book Week 2025 is more than a celebration. It's a movement to inspire and empower the next generation through the power of reading. Whether you're a parent, teacher, librarian, or young book lover, we invite you to join us. Let's come together to promote reading, spark imaginations, and unlock the potential in every child. Because when we invest in children's literacy, we invest in a brighter future for all of us.
Well, my little friends, wasn't that a hoptastic adventure?